Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to rotate apps on Android using a simple and effective method. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Step 2. Search for Force Rotation, Auto Rotate, and install the app to your phone. Step 3. Once the app is installed, tap the Open button to launch it right away. Step 4. You'll be asked to enter your birth date. Just select the month, day, and year, then tap Check and Confirm. Step 5. The app will ask for some permissions. First, enable display over other apps by tapping on it and allowing access for force rotation. Step 6. Now go back and tap on Usage Access. Find Force Rotation in the list and tap Permit Usage Access. Step 7. When a warning message appears, check the box that says, "I'm aware of the possible risk." Wait for the countdown to finish, then tap OK. Step 8. Tap the Start button located at the bottom right of the screen to begin using the app. Step 9. When prompted, tap OK to enable features like Auto Start on boot and Protected Process. Step 10. Inside the app, tap on the Apps section to manage rotation for individual apps. Step 11. Tap the plus button, select the app you want to auto-rotate, and then tap OK. Step 12. After choosing the app, select your preferred rotation mode such as Landscape. Step 13. Your chosen app will now automatically rotate based on your selected settings. After that, open the apps and check how it works on your device. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tips.